Can this inexpensive Aldi brisket deliver big results? Today I'm smoking it low and slow, and by the end we'll see if it's actually worth buying. Even though Aldi pre-seasoned the brisket, I like to add just a little bit more salt and pepper. Nothing fancy, just enough to get a little extra flavor and maybe help that bark develop a little bit better. I do this to both sides, and then I let it sit for a little bit while I go out and start my grill up so it can get to temperature. Luke and I went ahead and got this pellet grill of ours preheated. It's about 170 right now when I put this on. I normally like to let it go to the temperature I got it set at 225 degrees Fahrenheit, but I was running out of time this morning and we had to go ahead and throw this thing on there. I wanted to show you real quick what it looks like right when I put it on the grill. We're going to check back in an hour or two later and see what she looks like. Alright, it's been about 2 hours or so. Here's a quick peek of what it looks like now. She's starting to get a little smoke on her. The bark's starting to form. It's looking pretty good. Next I'm going to come inside and I'm going to prep my crock pot with about a 1/4 cup of beef broth. This is going to be the next stage for my cooking process with this brisket. Alright, it's been about 3 or 4 hours. This little brisket's absorbed about as much smoke as she's going to be able to absorb. So I'm going to go ahead and take it off the smoker here, and we're going to go inside for the next part of this cooking process. This is what it looks like right when I take it off the grill. She's headed into the slow cooker next, but first we're going to baptize her with some of these beefy juices.
In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost.
We're going to pop the lid on, and then we're going to tap her with this heat probe thermometer so we can keep check with the temperatures. We don't want it to go over 203 for too long. It's been a couple hours on low. This is what she's looking like. Moment of truth. Let's see what we've got. Oh yeah, that looks tender. Well, let's get her out of here and onto the cutting board. And after a brief rest, it's time to slice and serve her.
And why does it always have to be a woman?
Let's see how this Aldi brisket turns out.
It was like falling apart when I was trying to pick it up.
Take a picture quick.
It was trying to fall apart when I picked it up.
It was trying. I'm going to take a little barbecue sauce.
You take forever.
Whatever. Hey, nobody stop. I'm trying to help. Alright, you ready to try this Aldi brisket?
Been ready.
Okay, let's try it.
Like 5 hours ago.
The brisket is very good.
Yes.
Delicious.
There you go. Sop it up in some au jus.
Well, yeah, the brisket turned out pretty good. This brisket, though, is worth it.
That sandwich looks good.
You ready to taste it? Get that off.
Good job, Aldi's.
I would definitely get it again. Now, this isn't like a full brisket. This is the point, I think they call it. Like a full brisket's like that big.
Oh, yeah.
Or can be that big.
Fake
so what
news.
They have like a point, and for us Po folks, they chop the point off so we can afford it.
So is the brisket the side of the cow?
You know, When I was going through butcher school, I missed that day. Didn't teach us that in medical school.
Yeah, I would say for people that don't like spice,
Yeah.
I wouldn't get the brisket. Even though
Not the
it's
salt and
just
pepper one.
Pepper, it's, yeah.
It is spicy.
And the heat just kind of stays in your mouth. You don't feel it going down the throat unless you choke on it, and then you'll feel it in your throat.
Unless you don't chew it and you just swallow it. So if you had to rate the brisket out of 10, not just heat, but
Flavor,
flavor,
texture,
like just
moistness.
everything, like what would you rate it? An Aldi's brisket?
I'd say 10. I don't see anything wrong with it.
Really?
Yeah. Other than just a little hot. So if I had to rate heat-wise, it'd probably be an 8. But
So I would do
flavor.
7 out of 10 probably. I don't know, it's just, the flavor is good, but I think it needs a little bit more savory flavor to me.
Yeah.
But all right, well that was Aldi's salt and pepper brisket. Point. Turned out good. I'd definitely get it again, and we'll probably try it was preseason. We'll probably try the preseason barbecue if they have it again. It was $22 if I remember correctly. Thanks for watching. You'll see us next time on the next silly one.
Might
Bye.
be a while.
Yeah.
Bye.
It's gonna be a minute. Can't go back to work.
Yeah.
Barbecue sauce.
You take forever.
All right, you ready to try this Aldi brisket?